Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BitGo for enterprise custody and wallet creation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To install BitGo for enterprise custody and wallet creation, start by visiting the official BitGo website. Navigate to the Solutions section located in the main menu. Choose the Enterprise option to explore enterprise-specific features. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the process. Fill out the required information in the registration form to create your account. Once registered, check your email for a verification link and click it to verify your account. Log into your BitGo account using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the BitGo dashboard. Locate the Wallets tab in the navigation bar. Click on Create New Wallet to start setting up your enterprise wallet. Select the type of wallet you require, such as a multi-signature or single-signature wallet. Fill in the wallet details, including name, type, and required security features. Configure the multi-signature settings if applicable, ensuring the correct number of required signatures is set. Once all details are filled out, click Create Wallet to finalize the wallet creation process. You will now see your new wallet listed on the dashboard. Next, access the settings of your wallet to adjust any configurations required for security. Set up any required access controls or permissions for team members who will use the wallet. Return to the dashboard to ensure all settings are saved properly. To fund your new wallet, locate the Receive option and generate a receiving address. Use this receiving address to transfer assets into your BitGo wallet. Monitor your wallet for incoming transactions to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Review your wallet activity and settings regularly to maintain security and compliance. If you encounter any issues, consult the BitGo support documentation or reach out to customer support for assistance. Your enterprise custody and wallet creation process is now complete, and you are ready to manage your digital assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.